Leonardo DiCaprio has dated just about every model in any given Victoria's Secret catalog. By now, it's safe to assume his girlfriends all know the score, so it's always surprising when Leo breaks his own rules and actually allows one to be seen with him in public. That's Leo with Toni Garn, a 21-year-old German model, of course, whom he's reportedly been dating for just under a year. That's almost a record for Leo, so to celebrate he took Toni for a walk and allowed her to color coordinate their outfits on the condition that she remain 10 feet away from him at all times. Okay, Leo probably didn't make those terms official, but from the looks of these photos, DiCaprio did not want to be mistaken for Toni's boyfriend, even if they have been together for a year. So enjoy the gallery of awkwardness featuring DiCaprio and Garn during a routine trip to a Beverly Hills farmer's market that turned into a covert operation the second Leo saw a camera. It's not often that we get to laugh at DiCap. Naturally, Leo and Toni have yet confirmed their relationship, and Toni probably knows better than to force it. DiCaprio dumped Blake Lively shortly after they went public, and several of his other high-profile relationships with the likes of Bar Refaeli reportedly ended because he felt pressured to settle down. Dude's got a terrible condition where even the thought of commitment